Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. Is that day we've been waiting for this day to come? Why? Because we have CPI, US CPI. So it's going to be interesting. The market will be moving very nice. So what's really happening? You can see that on the on the company side, we saw the market was not performing very well yesterday, but later on the market started to push the upside. You can see all these rates, they were not doing great, you see, but later on the market tried to reverse that, and that was great. Anyways, we have something new for you guys. Yesterday I said $60 for 6 months. Nope. Correction on that. We're not going to continue with that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to continue with our normal pricing. So what we did is I added 2 months $24. You see that? So if maybe you want to test the signals, you can say, you know what, Kenzo, I want to test your signals, but I will start maybe by testing them for 2 months. You can see that. Then you can try $24 for 2 months, but it's limited for very few people. And once you joined these 2 months, obviously, we're not going to renew that with the same $24. So it means if you want to be part of the team, then you can maybe either join 6 months or 12 months and lifetime. And I'm still continuing, as I promised to say, you can still give yourself discounts, but from 6 months, 12 months, and lifetime, you can still say, Kenzo, I need to join lifetime, but I have 300 or I have this much. That is also still available, right? So you can scan this QR code here. Or maybe just use my WhatsApp number or check my description. You will find the link. So this $24, I'm going to limit this to 20 people. Yeah, I think 20 people it will be enough for those who want to test my signal. So anyways, let's go straight to the analysis. So what's really happening? Firstly, let's go on the economic calendar. What's really happening? You can see that yesterday we did not really have anything. Today you can see we're just waiting for CPI. Tomorrow, very interesting, but FOMC we're gonna talk about later, but today we're gonna talk about CPI. Tomorrow it's gonna be FOMC. So on the other channel that I said you should subscribe, I will be talking I'll be going through how to approach the economic news, guys. If you want to be part of that team, you can check that channel. I will just put the link in the in the comment side section. You can just subscribe there. So I will be showing you how do we get this direction, how do we see a buy or a sell for those who want to trade maybe a news directly without maybe using technical. So let's go straight to the charts. Today we're gonna start with USD ZAR. USD ZAR, what's really happening? USD ZAR, you can see that the dollar it's a bit stronger against our currency here. You can see that yes, the market is still doing what? The market is still pushing to the upside. So I'm expecting maybe where the market is, a smaller reversal before we see a nice push. But what I like here is the market showed us that, you know what, we are on a very nice uptrend. We are on a very nice uptrend. And later on yesterday, we did smash the market very nice. Nasdaq US30, it was going, and also S&P 500, it was pushing very nice, going to the upside. So I'm hoping that maybe we're gonna see a continuation of that. Let's hope that is gonna happen. Let's hope that inflation is gonna go down. So I will be going through that with that on my other channel. So on that channel, I won't be doing too much of the charts. I will be just talking about talking about trading, what happens with the stresses, emotions, how to deal with that, how to approach the market, mindset. Actually, we're going to just talk, no charts. So on US oil, what's really happening? This is daily time frame. You can see I was also on daily time frame. Okay, it's fine. You can see that we have this nice downtrend here on US oil. So I'm still expecting to see the market going down, unless if the market breaks this resistance, then we can expect the market to push the upside. But for this, I think it's very, very nice. Where we are now, we are on this support area. The market might respect that and also push even lower. So the best thing that you can do is to maybe use 4 hours time frame just to see your chart a bit closer. On a daily time frame, it can be big, but still you're going to see quite similar things. So what I see here is we have this resistance. It was previous support. You can see that area. So now there is a chance that the market can respect this area and start to push the lower side. If not, it means that the market will be pushing to the upside and pushing to the lower side. For those who don't know, guys, we introduced before the market close analysis. So on that, we're just going to go through the market before the market close and see if maybe there is some enough changes, if maybe there are trades that we can take, and just to be ready for tomorrow, right? Because we are traders, so we have to update. I update you every. That's why, guys, when I say please go subscribe on that channel, maybe it might help 1 or 2 people, guys, because mostly we focus on charts, which is good, but also we have to go and see what's really happening behind the scene when we are about to trade. And I saw only 9 subscribers on that channel, but it's fine. I'm not actually forcing anyone, but I feel like, guys, I'm also giving you enough just to go there and subscribe. You're not losing anything. But by the way, let's go back on our analysis. So what's really happening on our AUD USD? We can see that, yes, the structure shows us that we are on a very nice downtrend. We can see that the market on it's a daily time frame. You can see how many times the market created this area or touched that zone. You can see 5 times. So I'm still expecting to see maybe the market pushing lower, but there is a chance for the market to break out and start to push the upside. It shows that this has been long, very longer downtrend. So maybe the market is tired. If it's tired, obviously going down, we might see the market breaking out, and we will see that breakout. But if not, it seems like the market will just play around. You can see where we are now. There is an area that we can call a sort of a resistant. Now it's a support, resistant. Let's just say this support zone. Obviously you will understand. So the market might consolidate around this area until we see a breakout, or maybe the market will keep pushing lower. So you will see what you can do if you trade AUD there, but just understand that the market is very closer to the resistance, so there is a chance for the market to keep pushing even lower. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. Okay, on USD JPY, if you still remember, we had a very nice structure before. The market was going very nice. It was pushing up very nice. But this resistance here is very strong. We had a very nice support. And it seems like since the JPY, it was very strong. The market broke out here. So it pushed even lower. It's like now it came back to retest. So we were going to draw something there as our support or potential support. So let me just do that. It's where the market bounced back. If it keeps pushing lower, obviously it means that we are seriously on this downturn. The market might actually consolidate there before pushing to the lower side. But if I can zoom a little bit and make this chart a bit smaller, you can see that we reached a very, very, very sensitive area, or a very strong area there. You can see that since the market touched this area, you can see the market was pushing to the upside. We had a proper sell after that. You see that after the market touched this highest area. So even here we might have the same thing. The market might continue pushing even lower. You see that. So I believe that maybe the market might repeat the same thing. You can see around the same level, the market also had this crazy breakout, and also here we are having the same thing. I'm talking about this candlestick. I don't know if you can see that prop nicely, but let me try to zoom. You see that? Even here it seems like that. So after that, the market started to do what? To keep pushing lower. So if it's going to be like that, I think it's time for us to take those sells. So A nice sell can do a magic here. We can make something there. I think, yeah, we need to get that. We need to get that as soon as possible. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. Remember, I don't really want to make this video very long. Let's go on 4 hours time frame. I think this chart is way too visible on a 4 hours time frame. So what do we see here? We can easily see that, yes, the market, yeah, you can see that that one it's been smashed. So USD CAD, the market was going down very nice. The market is still going down very nice. You can see that the market created several structures going down. Or even here you can have, if maybe you just want to push your line or your support, sorry, your resistance very closer, you can still do that. But I don't really want to see this candlestick cutting that. So you can see that we have this area where the market was just going down. So what I see is the market is still playing around this resistance. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To push even lower. But what you can see here is the market was just consolidating because we expecting some serious economic news, CPI. But I'm hoping that CPI is going to go down. I might be wrong. I am expecting it to go down, which means if maybe you will be trading USD CAD, we will be expecting a continuation of that sell. But I will be explaining that on the other channel for those who want to learn about fundamentals, guys. I want to grow that channel. So we can have some serious talks there. So yeah, that's what I see. So I'm expecting to see a very nice sell, and I'm just a continuation of that sell, unless if the market decides to break out of this support, this resistant area, then we can say maybe it's time for the market to do its thing and start to push to the upside. DXY dollar index. This measures, for those who don't know, it measures the dollar strength, USD actually, the currency of the US. If we see it pushing lower, it means the dollar is losing some momentum. If it pushes higher, you know that it's gaining momentum. And you will see that also with other pairs. You will see the pairs that goes with this dollar. Also reacting quite similar to the structure here. So what's really happening? You can see that previously the market was pushing up very nice. Now it's going down nicely also. So what's really happening? You can see that, yes, we have a structure aggressively pushing down. Now the market is giving us this sort of a resistance there. The market touched that. Now it's touching that area again. I'm expecting to see the market going even lower again. You can see the market started. You can see that the market started going down. So yes, this is good. I saw Gbpusd also pushing to the upside, which is good. And the signals were sent, even though it was like a few days ago. But the market never moved that much. That's why we were keeping those signals. So I'm expecting to see another push and half past the rate. If maybe we can have that, I think we can go live. We can go live. We can actually go live. So yeah, let's see what we will do. Let's see. I will see what I can do. So yeah, that's what I see here. I'm expecting the market to push even lower. Why? Because I can see the market is respecting our resistance. So obviously that it's a good sign that the dollar is still continuing on that down trend. So let's push to the JPY. JPY, it was seriously crazy stronger a few days ago. So let's just go on that daily time frame, because these candlesticks are very long, so you're gonna see them properly on a bigger time frame. So what we have here, you can see we have 3 points there where the market went there straight aggressively. Just look at these candlesticks. This is not really that bad, but remember that is a daily time frame. So even here it was aggressive push. So it means, and if you check, maybe this was maybe interest rate statements or something like that. If you go check that, you will see that there is something that is repeating itself, and most likely the market is just reacting quite similar way. So the market did respect that area as a support, and now we see another repetition, which means we might start to see the market doing what? Continuing with that buy again. Simple as that. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. which is GBP, USD. What's really happening? You can see that previously the market was going down. Now the market is pushing up. That's why we're saying we are looking for buy and we are looking for uptrend, right? So we are looking for uptrend. What's really happening? Let's go on a 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. So you can see that we're no longer on that downtrend. Now the market is trying to do what? To push the upside. We did try to have some trades, but the market was just consolidating around that level. But the bigger picture is quite straightforward that we are on a very nice uptrend. So you can see that the market is trying to create something like that. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To push the upside. If the market is going to push the upside, we have a nice resistant area there, so I'm expecting the market to reach that area. Maybe the market might break out, or maybe the market will respect, maybe the market might respect that. But for now, I start to believe that, you know what, this area that I've been struggling, we've been struggling to get this third point. To me, I can say, yeah, now we're confirming that that is a proper support area. So we're ready to shoot the upside. The signals, I've been sending the signals around this area for quite some time, but the market was just playing games. So I hope my people will be jumping on this again and starting to smash. You can see that the market is pushing to the upside. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to make these videos very quick, but hey, the information is all over. We have too much information here. We can't just skip within 5 minutes, unfortunately. Now we are on Euro USD. What's really happening? You can see that the dollar is also losing that momentum. And now, obviously, this area is now solidifying. So it means that it's going to be a proper support for us. Let me reduce that so that you can see properly. You can see that the market is bouncing back there. I sent several signals there, but the market was just playing around. So yes, if you are in the team, you can just still take. They're still valid. They are still valid. But I'm expecting to see a proper move like this. You can see this might be a very nice uptrend. So if the market plays around here, maybe that might confirm that maybe inflation is still going down. CPI might do what? Might still go down, and maybe we might see a Euro USD pushing to the upside. Yes, anything is possible. We might see the market breaking out here if the dollar is going to be stronger. Tomorrow it's CPI. Tomorrow it's CPI. Remember that. Tomorrow it's CPI. Sorry, not tomorrow. Tomorrow it's FOMC. So it means we are still going to be here and the market will be going crazy non-stop. So what's really happening on the dollar side? On the dollar, we can easily see that, yes. Let me see. CPI. Someone sent me a message. Sorry, CPI. Yeah, so what's really happening? I'm expecting to see gold also recovering. Yesterday, as I told you, the market broke out here. I don't know if maybe the market will be retesting and continuing going down, because it seems like it's doing the opposite. DXY is going down, it's also going down. So something's not really right. So, but I'm expecting to see it recovering and pushing to the upside, especially if CPI is going down. Let's hope that it's gonna go down. You see, I'm repeating that CPI might go down. If it goes down, yes, it means I will be smashing the market, because I'm expecting to buy this gold, Nasdaq, and the other ones. But I might be wrong. Don't say, Kenzo, oh yeah, we sometimes be wrong in the market, and we also get it right and we smash the market. So what's really happening? I'm expecting the market, maybe if it breaks this support area, I'm expecting a continuation of that buy. If not, it means the market will just continue as we see it. We can see that we already broke out of that support, which means we might see a sell. That is possible. So let's push to the next one. This time is going very fast, huh? US30, you can see that the market has been pushing to the upside. We coming from a downtrend, as I've been repeating. Yesterday, later on, we smashed the market. We did smash the market, very nice. You can see we had a buy pending order. So yeah, you can just hit and run. This is 4 hours time frame, is better than nothing. Around this area, you can just close, wait for the news, or maybe if you are confident, you can wait. Maybe we will see another continuation of a buy. But if things might be bad, we might see aggressive sell maybe before pushing up. That sell might still happen, but we are still on that uptrend. I hope you understand that. If we have a sell, we are still going to buy. We will wait for the market to reach the support area, then we continue buying. If not, it means we might see a continuation of that buy. Simple as that. So let's push to the next deck. Nasdaq. We are also eating. Please, guys, just know that we have $24 for 2 months. It's like paying how much? $12 per month. And you can recover, you can make this amount within a day. And just imagine for that 2 months. So, but it's limited for 20 people. For those who wants to be part of the team, let me know. Scan this QR code or use my contact numbers. Then we can talk on WhatsApp. Only 20 people. And then on 6 months, 12 months lifetime. Remember, we still have that a discount where you can just discount yourself. You can just tell me how much you have, and then you can be part of the team. Whether it's lifetime, you can say, Kenzo, I don't really have exactly that amount, but I can afford this. Also on 12 months and also on 6 months, you can do that. But on $24 or on 2 months, it's just strictly that, and it's limited to only 20 people for those who want to test the signals that I send. So, as I told you, I will be showing you what I've sent yesterday. Let me just complete this. I will show you then. So you can see that yesterday also we had a signal, a very nice signal there, buy signal on a Nasdaq. We did wait because we had this area. You can see this area there. So I did not really want to jump on the market earlier. I saw it. If maybe I wanted, I was going to take that, but just to be safe, I saw that the market respected this candlestick there and also here. So for me to jump in here, it was going to be risky. So that's why we took the market a little bit above. But the structure was just consolidating. After the breakout, obviously we take that buy. But if you are aggressive, obviously you were going to take that buy bit earlier. I'm still expecting to see some nice buys, but later, remember, later on, we're going to have CPI. I'm expecting to see a continuation, but maybe a smaller reversal, little bit reversal before we see a push. That might also help. That might also happen. So just know that the market can be crazy sometimes. The market can be crazy. So DXY, I mean German 30, this thing is pushing to the upside. I don't even know how to draw the analysis there. So also S&P 500, we did smash that. I'm still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. I've been repeating this analysis for quite some time. Obviously, you understand what's really happening. You can see also here, we had a reversal after this breakout. You can see we have this resistance, but there was this area. So we're not going to enter there. That's why I did place my buy pending a little bit above, so we're not missing anything. We're just trying to be safe, and we are on that smaller profit. It's not really that smaller because this is 4 hours time frame. So maybe if the market reaches this area, you can lock your profits. Maybe the market will continue pushing to the upside. I believe that maybe the market will be pushing to the upside. So let me show you those signals that I've sent, so that don't say, Kenzo, you're lying. No, I'm not. Yeah, though these are the signals that I've sent. You can see it's US30, it's S&P 500, it's Nasdaq, all in profit, which is very good. So for those who don't know, we send signals like that. You can check them correctly. Mostly I will be sending also this analysis. You can see there is analysis here and there for just for you to understand what's really happening. And sometimes I will just send a signal and send you something like this. You can see that GBP something like that. Euro USD, also something like that. That's how I send the signal, and maybe that will help 1 or 2 people who want to also do their own analysis. So for those who want to be part of the team, you know what to do. You can already explain. And again, guys, I have a new channel which I want you, or I'm asking you actually to go and subscribe on that. I will leave the link in the on the comment section for those who wants to maybe catch up with other things that we do in the markets or in the life of traders. That maybe might help 1 or 2 people. You can go there and smash that subscribe, and also just for supporting me. So thank you very much. in advance, by the way. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.